Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your assets around for better opportunities. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to withdraw BNB from Binance to KuCoin. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need verified accounts on both Binance and KuCoin, some BNB sitting in your Binance wallet, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled on both platforms for added security. Oh, and keep an eye on any network fees. BNB transactions typically use the BNB Smart Chain, which can be pretty efficient. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. Next, search for BNB in the asset list and select it. Now, you'll need to enter your KuCoin wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste this directly from KuCoin to avoid any typos that could send your BNB into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Binance will show you the estimated network fees, so take a moment to review that. Fees can vary based on network congestion. After that, hit Continue and confirm the details. You'll be prompted to complete 2FA verification, which is crucial for security. Once that's done, submit the withdrawal request. Now, sit tight. Withdrawals usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's confirmed on the blockchain, check your KuCoin wallet to see your BNB arrive. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support resources to help. And there you have it. Your BNB is now on KuCoin, ready for trading or staking. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto space, like using hardware wallets for long-term storage. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.